Hello, welcome back to Baking with Sharon and Destiny and Quianna. We're going to do a taste test on the greens. They're not quite finished yet, but we want to see if we need to add anything more. So we're going to go ahead and taste them to see if anything else needs to be added. All right, they look really good. Smells wonderful. So let's dig in, ladies. Let's give it a try. Really hot. And so these are the collard greens with a twist. We seasoned them with chicken broth. We made our own chicken broth, and we're gonna give it a try, ladies. A really nice flavor. They still need to be cooked a little bit longer, so we're gonna let them cook for about 30 more minutes or so. But we just wanted to give it a try because the girls have school tomorrow and they'll be leaving shortly. So my help is leaving. But we just want to come back on to let you all know that the greens have a really good flavor. They taste really good. And they're gonna be real tender once they finish cooking. So y'all, thanks for joining again. Have a good night. God bless. Don't forget to vote November 6th.